Ever wonder why some websites just don't work? Here's the invisible system that makes the internet actually function. When you type Netflix.com, your computer has no idea where Netflix actually lives. It's like having an address with no GPS coordinates. That's where ARecords come in. They're literally the internet's GPS system. Think of ARecords as translators. They take human-friendly names like example.com and convert them to computer language, those long number sequences called IP addresses. Every single website lookup happens in milliseconds. Your browser asks, "Hey, where's YouTube?" The ARecord replies, 208.65.153.238. Go there. Here's what most people don't know. You can have multiple ARecords for the same website. Why? Load balancing. Big sites like Google use dozens of ARecords to spread traffic across different servers. That's why they never crash when millions of people search at once. But wait, there's something ARecords can't do that might surprise you. ARecords and CNAME records can't exist for the same domain. It's like having two different street addresses for the same house. The internet gets confused. Want to master DNS? Hit follow for more internet secrets. Which DNS record should I explain next? Comment below.